Hey guys, so now we're on the polishing step of our single stage black. We used the Eastwood single stage Boulevard black, and if you recall, you can see the reflection here of the first pass of the buffing. Looks pretty damn good. This was a brush on roll on primer, and we took it a step further and did the same thing to the single stage urethane paint that they had. A little bit unorthodox, but rather than getting a paint booth and everything else that goes along with it, we literally mixed it and used a paintbrush, and that looks pretty damn good. So this has orange peel. We have to sand it. So this is sanded. First, we were using the Norton product where we were running out. So for the cost of this, we went to Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight has the 100, the M100, which is the high cut, and then we'll use the 210 will be the polishing, and this stuff's working pretty damn good too. We're using it on a wool pad. The Norton you used on a wool pad and a foam, but the Meguiar stuff is really good, and you can get it easily at Harbor Freight. If not, then you can even get it online too. So he's going to waste not, want not. This will be our second buff with the high cut. Okay, we're just doing a second pass now with this. So we have our PPE, our gloves, and our masks, because you don't want to be breathing this stuff in all day. And we're gonna just go with a second pass before we get to the polishing compound. Okay. Okay guys, we're gonna go with the second pass with the Meguiar's 210 and on a polishing foam pad. This will be our second pass with this. We did the 100, now we're doing the 210.
Is more forgiving. Yeah, definitely on the wall.
The ultra polish buffs right in and it leaves no residue, man. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Very good. Let me just do this. Watch your eyes.
It gives you a very good outcome. Okay guys, so he just finished up the second round of buffing, and then you can take it a step further and go even with a finer pad, a polishing pad. But for right now, this is just about a finished product. As you can see by the reflection, the quality of the paint is
You
really,
see everything, man. That
Yeah.
looks like a mirror.
for what we started with a very mediocre hood, a lot of Bondo, a lot of body work, and a lot of sanding, and an unorthodox paint system that's basically entirely experimental at this stage. The results, you know, are really, we can't argue with it, and definitely pretty impressed for a first time paint job and a first time experiment with how we applied it.
This is brush on single stage urethane in your backyard. You can't get better than that.
He said it best. Okay guys, so you just saw us do this. Now this is like a nice mirror finish. So this was just all orange peely. So we did 1,000 wet, 1,200 wet, 1,500 wet, and then you can also go a step above in the 2,000. However, this will remove from 1,200 grit. We just went a little bit above and beyond to try and get better results. So basically you want to be over 1,000, 12, 1,500. You get your good old Harbor Freight McGuire's on your rotary buffer. Okie dokie. We're gonna start right here in this back panel.
Work it in.
Yep.